Hello, so my name is Eduardo Gorron and I'm a biologist and microbial engineer. And today I would like to talk to you a little bit about one of my research topics, which is biophotovoltaics with cyanobacteria. And to start, I can tell that I work already with different devices that try to employ microorganisms in order to produce electricity from them. So these devices basically work in a way in which you feed them with some chemical compound, a carbon source. The organism break down and extract the electrons out of it. And in the case of these devices, you try to direct the electrons, those electrons into an electric circuit in order to try to get some energy. But in the reality, we know that the devices that should work ideally under these ideal conditions, in the reality the electrons can go to very different directions. So actually in a real device you have that the electrons can go to many other different compounds, and so this reduces the amount of energy and electricity that you can get out of this. So in order to try to switch topic and to try to work with a more mature biotechnology, I got a chance to work in algae production. There are already companies established that work with this, that do a lot of different products. So I thought that was a great idea, and also you can get a energy out of the algae. So what we did was to grow algae into desalination brine, which has a high salinity that allows to reduce the risks of contamination with other organisms, which is a great problem with algae growth, and to try to acclimate different strains to grow into very extreme conditions, so you can employ this wastewater to grow the algae. But what if we try to mix these two technologies? Then you can get the technology of biophotovoltaics, in which you basically can use the light to grow algae, and the algae can direct those electrons into some electricity for devices that do not require much electrons, so like biosensors, biorobots, and there already works with this. This is an example of a robot that is powered only by algae, which actually takes the energy from the sun. So that's a very promising technology, and this is what I work with. So I can foresee a really great potential of a world partially powered with algae, and this is a great technology to work with.